Hello Internet, I'm Matt Haas. This is Awesome Wood Things. Makers Rock is almost here. I can hardly wait. That's when a whole bunch of woodworkers get together and we recreate an album cover in our shops using any material, and here's the best part, we give them away. That's right, you could win what we create. Everyone publishes on the same day. That will be Tuesday, March 10th, so it's just a few days away. I will have an extra entry for anyone who signs up for my email newsletter, so you can get in on that now if you want to receive newsletters from me and get an extra entry. Double your chances to win. Isn't that awesome? This year I'm doing Blue Oyster's Cult Single, Don't Fear the Reaper. A few other makers that are involved in this will be DesertBum WoodWork'n, Woodified, the theisolab, the Carmichael Workshop, Woodified, and Miter Mike's Woodshop. So be sure to subscribe to all of them because you could win more than one. You could win mine and someone else's. It's totally possible. All right, Internet, I will see you Tuesday and I will be ready to rock.